Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. I got this is a 4 terabyte Western Digital Easy Store, and customer came in, couldn't read it. It's formatted for her Mac, and she connects it and can't read. So I tested it here on my Mac here, so you can see there, it just won't load, stays blinking. I also connected it to Windows. You could have one of these drives formatted in exFAT, which means you could read it on Windows and on Mac. And sometimes if it's on exFAT, you could wind up having a situation like this where it's not reading on Mac, but if you put it on Windows, it might read. Actually, if you wind up with that situation, I've seen it many times on drives that are formatted for exFAT. If you put it on your Windows machine and it's readable, then just run a check disk. And I've seen that resolve it every time. You run a check disk on Windows, and then later on you reconnect to your Mac. More than likely it's going to read. Some bit flips and it can't read it. So I recommend, if you're just going to use a drive on your Mac and you're not going to go back and forth, stick with your Mac format, whatever it is, APFS or the extended journaled. If you're going to go back and forth all the time, then use exFAT, and then knowing that that could happen, and if it does happen, you just put it on, like I said, your Windows machine, and just run a check disk. Again, if you have an external drive, that's your backup. Backup means copy number 2, so don't fall into that trap of your backup is your only copy, because it's not a backup anymore. So we're going to connect this over to the RapidSpar, and hopefully RapidSpar could read it. I'll be back.